Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy. I am based at Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. In this video, we try to understand a mathematical fundamental called percentages. We try to learn this fundamental percentages without the help of a paper and a pencil. This video is meant for students who are above 9th standard or others who plan to take up competitive exams such as bank exams. This video is split into 3 sections. Section 1, we will look at what we mean by percentages. Section 2, we will try to understand what is percentage increase. And section 3, what is percentage decrease. Let us see what is meant by percentage. Percentage implies for every 100. Suppose you calculate for every 100 some value, then that is called a percentage. For example, in your annual exam, you write the exam for 100 marks. And suppose you got 80 out of 100, then it is called you have got 80% marks. Suppose you got 65 marks out of 100, then you are set to score 65%. But in your class test, they give paper for 20 marks or sometimes 50 marks. Suppose in a class test of 20 marks, you got 15 marks. Then the percentage marks you obtained is equal to 15 divided by 20 into 100. So that is equal to 75%. We will take one more example. If the class test is kept for 50 marks and you have obtained 40 marks out of 50, then the percentage marks you obtained is equal to 40 divided by 50 into 100. That is equal to 80%. Now let us go to the section 2, that is percentage decrease and percentage increase. This we will try to understand with a story. The story is called Idli Story. The hero of our subject is Mr. Surya, who is studying in 9th standard. He normally takes 5 idlis at home. One day, he took only 4 idlis because his father scolded him on the previous day because of some mischievous things he has done. So, the idlis consumption has come down from 5 to 4. So, there is a decrease in consumption of 1 idli. How do we calculate percentage decrease? Percentage decrease is equal to new value minus old value divided by old value into 100. In this case, the new value is 4, the old value is 5. So, new value minus old value is 4 minus 5 divided by old value, that is 5, into 100. That is 4 minus 5 divided by 5 into 100. So, the numerator is minus 1. So, it is minus 1 divided by 5 into 100. That is equal to minus 20%. So, the consumption is 20% decrease. The percentage decrease is 20%. This minus refers to decrease. And Surya's mother is worried because her son consumed less number of idlis. So she cajoled her in the afternoon, and then the next day, Surya again took breakfast and he ate 5 idlis. So the third day his consumption is 5 idlis. In the second day his consumption was 4 idlis. So now it has gone from 4 to 5. So what is the percentage increase? New value minus old value divided by old value into 100. New value here is 5, old value is 4. So 5 minus 4 divided by 4 into 100, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Here you get plus 25%, so it is increase. So if you remember this idli story, you will remember what is meant by percentage increase or percentage decrease, and there won't be any confusion. The formula says new value minus old value divided by old value into 100. I hope this video is useful to all of you, and I thank all of you who have seen this video. In case you want to learn more such fundamentals on mathematical subjects or logical reasoning subjects or mental ability subjects, you can subscribe to our channel, and we will upload many such videos in the future days to come. If you like this video, you share it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.